Sorry for that. So when it comes to measures of variation by categorical, we have this standard error most quite often, standard deviation, and solve variance. Though these are not always experienced, but that's how we do measure. But we can't run quantiles for categorical variables. You see? Beautiful. So, I want us to appreciate that Dr. Luke was able to teach us how we compute mean, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, logarithmic mean. In practice, mean and median often use it, but not mode. And mean is used over median if data is normally distributed. And median is used over mean if data is non-normally distributed, especially if you have outliers the way you saw in the picture, in the video recording of Dr. Ru. This is data summary. But remember that we said that organization has summary and presentation. So when representing data, it also depends on the type of variable at hand. Okay, so how do we present data? How do we present data? How do we present data? Data presentation. Also, it will depend on type of variable, categorical and numerical. If it is categorical, SSX shall be thinking of use of tables. Because you know categorical are frequencies, percentages, proportions. You know what we are saying? What I'm saying is the summary is proportions, can be frequencies, so it is best done if I want to present this using a table. A table is universal. It can also be used to present numerical data. You look at an example. I can say variable. I can say summary measure. Okay, like this. It's in practice. So I can say sex and say this, male and female. So I can say males are 20 and the percent is 40. Females are 40 and the percent is 60. You see that? N is frequency, this is a percent, and these are summary measures which we are saying: frequency, proportion, and the percent. So this is what we are trying to say. Now this is to do with categorical variable, but I can also say age in bracket IQR in the quartile range. See that? And so that I can say median age, meaning the age was non-number distributed. And they're going to ask me, what do you mean by non-number distributed? Non-number distributed means that mean is not equal to median. If a data set compute both mean and median and are not approximately equal or equal, a data set, that data set is non-numeric distributed. So I can say median age is 40 and the lower quartile is 16 and upper quartile or the third quartile is 63. This variable is numerical, but I have also presented it using a table. So you see how to make life interesting. The table is universal. A table can be used to summarize both categorical and numerical. Now, numerical variables have many ways. There's what we call a box and whisker plot. A box and whisker plot. This is not a specific one. If data set is if a variable is non-numeric distributed, I use a box and whisker plot, and I want to use data to see how we manual and by using stata how we compute a box and whisker plot. We can have what we call a stem and leaf plot. Stem and leaf plot. Stem and leaf plot. You can have histograms. Histogram. You can have a bar chart. A stem and leaf plot is more or less like a histogram or a bar chart.